Hi everyone, today we're trying to unboxing iPhone 14 Pro Max. Ayan siya guys. Then I have a case ready for my iPhone Pro Max. And this is the case that I use always on my iPhones. And this is the back. So we're going to review the iPhone 14 Pro Max and unboxing. So they have a charger. This is cute. It's the same. It's the same for iPhone, Daddy. No, the charger. Then they're having a little booklet so you can read. But I don't need that one because I know of iPhone. I always iPhone. We are iPhone all the time. And then now we check out the cell phone. So this one is the iPhone Pro Max. It's beautiful, diba? Ayan. I need to share out on my husband. This is the gift for our 6 years anniversary wedding. See? That is very beautiful cell phone. Ayan siya guys. Wow. It's beautiful. And then now we're trying to put the case. And in my class, I like to act out myself. Do you want to act it out with me? Okay, ready? Here we go. I'm going to put the case now. Clasp them together just like this. And now, while they're holding hands, we're going to swing our arms around our body and make wow, it's beautiful. It's beautiful guys. And thank you so much for watching. Bye. This is my house. And my lowercase letters go. Oh, I like it. Just like this. It's very beautiful.
Or for this papaya. You go papaya. Here, Curtis.